TV Guide on Hulu. In today's video, I'm going to guide you how to get TV Guide on Hulu. So let's get started. Step number 1, make sure you are subscribed to Hulu Plus Live TV. The regular Hulu plan does not include the live guide. Step number 2, open the Hulu app on your device or go to hulu.com. Here, from the home screen, select the Live TV tab. You will find it at the top or bottom of the menu depending on your device. Once you open Live TV, the TV guide will appear automatically. It shows a full grid of current and upcoming shows across the channels. Now step number 5, scroll left or right to few times and up or down to browse channels. To see details for a show, click or tap it. You will see the description, duration and options to watch or record. Now you are all done. That's how you will be able to get TV Guide on Hulu. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.